So I've got kind of a situation here. I've just had, I don't know if you can even see this, this 7700K just sitting here doing nothing for like 3 months now. I seriously haven't done anything with this for about 3 months or so. It's just really been sitting in here. I don't want to say collecting dust because that's just not how that works, but it's really just done nothing. I have not much use for it. Maybe I could build a gaming PC, but I have the best almost the best gaming PC that you can possibly build. But if I take the 7700K, put it in a motherboard, Z270 Pro 4 from ASRock, it's only like $200, and maybe pair it with some pretty inexpensive DDR4 2400 that I have lying around, just like this. And then maybe I grab one of these Pure Rock Slims from Be Quiet. They're pretty cheap. It's kind of weird mounting mechanism. Let's see if I can get this mounted correctly. I have not done an Intel mount in forever. Mostly because it's even got pre-applied thermal paste. I think everyone here watching knows that the 7700K is no bad CPU. It's a very good one, actually. That if I don't smash it with this cooler. Does anybody know how this works? Because I can assure you I have no clue how this works. What the heck? Sure. Whatever, I just pair it with that cooler. I can't figure out how to mount it. I'll figure out eventually. Put maybe, I don't know. I could use this Titan X. I kind of want to keep it though. Let's say I grab this old 1060 that I also have literally no use for. And I stick it on there. Are we seriously? There we go. Plug in our cooler into CP fan 1. 7700K, 16 gigs of RAM, GTX 1060. Sounds like a pretty good gaming PC. But I really have just no clue how to mount this cooler. Okay, cooler's mounted. So, this setup, I could throw it in that Zalman Z9 case with the power supply and throw in a cheap M.2 SSD or any kind of SSD for that matter and have a pretty decent gaming PC. I don't really know what to do with it though, because I have a 3900X and a Threadripper, and right here I even have a 9800X. So I don't really have much use for it. It's worth a good amount of money. None of you want it, because, well, if you did, we'd have 10k subs. Do you want it? So here's the deal. I'm probably going to sell this system. But it will probably take me more than a week. So, here's my bet with you. If we hit 10k subs in a week, it's unlikely, maybe even impossible. But, I don't know, each one of you, just tell one person, and we're good. I will give away this 7700K. With the cooler on top that I just figured out how to mount. Oh, Intel, your mounting system is garbage. Actually, it's the cooler, but whatever. So, with the cooler, 16 gigs of DDR4 2400. You might be saying, well, that's not very fast. That's the max speed for the 7700K. Intel is very behind on RAM speeds. A 1063 gig, so it might be a little underpowered because the 7700K is insane, actually. But it's an easy upgrade path. And maybe some cheap SSD and Windows on it. And you've got yourself a, actually, really good-looking gaming PC. So, 1 week. If I happen to have 10k subs, for any reason, in a week, I will definitely give this away. If not, I will either A, keep it to give away later, or I'm probably going to put it up for sale. Not on eBay, I'll be trying to sell it on like Letgo. I'm going to try to get like $500-600 for this whole setup. And if I can't, I'll keep it, make some videos on it, and try to give it away later. That's the point. So, 10k subs in 1 week. There are no, you don't get an entry for commenting on this video. I suggest liking the video. You don't have to. I can't force you. Nobody can. But it'll only help it get discovered so that people know that if I get 10K subs in a week from Sunday the 23rd, then yeah, it's all yours. Well, one of yours, I should say. And we'll be doing normal giveaway rules probably, Twitch entries, extra, maybe. I might just do it completely random on YouTube. Depends. I still have one of those starter kits, which I fully plan on giving away at 10K subs. And I will probably be making a video about that to get a bunch of views on that later this week. But that's about it. So, I've got a 7,700K. If you want it, you know the rules. There's no entries on this video because, well, this video isn't a giveaway announcement. It's saying that if we have 10K subs in a week, I will do a giveaway of this, which will probably last 1 week, and then, yeah. It's actually probably, I gave away 7,700K over a year ago, because I actually had 3 of these originally. I gave away 2 of them. I think I gave one to my friend, gave one away on YouTube. So I've had this sitting around. To 7,700K, I usually give away Ryzen CPUs. This is one of the most powerful CPUs that I have. 3900X beats it, and I think the 9800X beats it. But that's about it. This CPU is still amazing for gaming. I will probably do a video about the 7700K and how good it is for gaming. I'll pair it with a Radeon 7 so that we have no bottlenecks. Oh, so that's about it. I'm just gonna, because I can. Oh, tape fell. I'm gonna throw this HD60 Pro just right in that 1X slot. You're probably wondering why. Just because I can. There are going to be so many comments about how people hate the tone I'm using in this video. Understandable. I mean, I'm just offering you a chance to get a 7700K for absolutely free. And yes, I pay for shipping, and yes, it'd be international. In case anyone had that question, which you shouldn't, because I answer it on every single video. That's about it. I'm basically done talking for this video. That's about all I could think of. I got this giant can of air and I'm running out. If anyone knows anyone that makes compressed air, oh, let's see. So I do have 3 of these SSDs. Probably just throw one of them in the board. Probably, vote in the comments below. WD Blue 250GB SATA SSD or Kingston 240GB. You might like Kingston better. So, the gigabyte difference is negligible because they both come out to the same. You might like Kingston, you might like WD Blue. That's your choice. This is mine. If I were to give this away. Now, what I'm guessing is going to happen is maybe we'll gain 50 subs in the next week, and then I'll keep it and probably do the same thing later to try to get 10K subs. We might never get 10K subs. I don't know. Like I said, I'm just stalling for 10 minutes to try to get monetization, just in case for some reason this video just randomly gets a bunch of views because someone's like, yo, let me tell my famous friend. I wish. So, yeah, that's it. If you guys, this is a great CPU. Now, I'm probably going to download Fortnite. Actually, I have Fortnite on that PC. I'm going to take the SSD from that PC. I'm going to test Fortnite on this. Now, you're probably wondering, why would I do that? Well, because the people who would really be interested in a gaming PC of this caliber are probably going to use it to play Fortnite, which is fine. That's your choice. My estimate, a PC like this could probably get about 200 FPS on Fortnite. I might switch out the graphics card maybe for like a, used 1080. If I get 10K subs, I might invest in a 1080. Like I said, I've had this sitting here. It'd be great to sell it all, but I would trade that money for 10K subs. I think it would just look nice. So, I don't know. Maybe if you know a Fortnite YouTuber who wants to promote this, help me get 10K subs in a week. Because like I said, a Fortnite person definitely be pretty interested in this. Good old 400 FPS, 400, that's my PC. Good old 200 FPS, since they updated the game and it's garbage now, because of the updates. That's the point. So, that's really all I have to say. I'm making up this video as I go. I should probably do a different video. But I'm not, because this is the tone I want to take with this one. This thing, full honesty, I'm not changing the rule, that's just how it is. If we hit 10K subs in a week, cool, I give this away. If not, our normally scheduled PC starter kit giveaway that I will be making a video this week to try to get a bunch of views. It should hopefully I'm going to call it the same thing I did last time. It got 11,000 views. You know what's confusing about that? How does a video about a giveaway, where the only thing is, like, subscribe, comment, get 11,000 views, but couldn't gain 2,000 subscribers? I have no clue. But that's besides the point. That's really all I have to say. Thank you so much for watching. If we hit 10k subs by next Sunday, I'll give this away. Do a big old 1 week giveaway. Huge, 7,700k. I'll probably put it in a system and make it a full thing. And ship it off like that. That's the point. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Good luck.